Hi, I'm Amanda O'Connor.
I'm Peg Shippert.
My name's Nigel Brown.
Scott Passwaters.
My name is Jim Pendleton.
I've been here 12 years.
I've been with the company for almost 19 years and I've been a customer/user for almost 20.
The first time I came across ENVI was when I was in grad school. This was 1998.
I was a grad student in the lab at CU where all of the original ENVI developers were working when they first came up with ENVI.
Probably in 1995, 1996.
We had to do registration, we had to do classification, calibration, change detection.
So like just pointing at a pixel and looking at its spectrum and some simple stuff like that, it wasn't how most people were doing remote sensing at that point.
The only way we could have done that was with ENVI being able to handle such large data sets at that time and handle them efficiently. ArcGIS and ENVI were in two separate worlds.
And nowadays, I think people are a lot more savvy to the fact that you can get some interesting information out of the imagery itself, that can become layers in the GIS.
It's a push of a button to get data back and forth between them. Everybody likes everybody's file formats.
Bring an image in, classify it, produce output vectors, and do it all interactively.
You know, I feel like the old person with the stick. It's like in my day we used to have to walk 5 miles and then convert it to a coverage before we could get anything. And now it's all easy, and these kids just don't know how lucky they are.
Life without ENVI. Can you imagine it?
You know, there's all this data out there. There's so many new satellites that are being launched and new sensors, and you know, the one thing that ENVI could do is open all that.
It would be a sad, sad world where cockroaches would rule. And we'd just eat dirt and hope for the sun to come out someday.
The amount of people who have benefited from it, who are really good scientists, but who maybe are, remote sensing is something secondary for them. ENVI has been the bridge that brought them into the world of working with a different data type that really can enhance the science that they're doing.
Part of my job is for customers to come to us and say, hey, your tools are great, but we have a highly specialized problem that we have to solve.
Finding helicopter landing zones, to find displaced persons.
Looking for underpainting, so Pablo Picasso was known to reuse his canvases when he didn't like something.
One day you'll be helping someone with medical imaging issues, another day you'll be helping someone try to count the number of cows in a field.
It's all about enabling people to discover something.
And the opportunity to discover things that we can all watch on Nova or something like that, or Discovery Channel, and say, hey, we helped do that. That's really cool.